Solving two-steps problems using first-order equations with one variable. Now, the babysitter is given to be 5 times the sum of twins' age. The problem requires finding the babysitter's age. Therefore, we have to write her age by x. However, since the babysitter's age is 5 times the sum of twins' age, first we must calculate this sum and then multiply it by 5. Therefore, this problem includes 2 steps, although there is still to use a first-order equation, 235 equals x. Solving this equation gives x equals 30, i.e. the babysitter is 30 years old, as expected. Example: Anna and Mark have in total $86. Anna has $4 more than Mark. How much money does Anna have? Solution: A. First step, we must first calculate the sum if Mark had the same amount as Anna. For this, we have to subtract 4 from the original sum. We have $86 minus $4 equals $82. Second step, now, we must divide the last number by 2 to find how much money does Anna have. Thus, A equals $82 divided by 2 equals $41. B, we can express the amount possessed by Anna by A. In this way, since M equals A plus 4, we obtain the equation shown in the following on screen. We have A equals 2 and B equals minus 82 in this first-order equation with one variable. Thus, since in such equations the variable is calculated as x equals minus b over a, we have, here x equals a, we have the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 9.2.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.2.3, solving problems that involve more than 2 steps. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.